Cricket. Rain Stops Play by Kevin Wright. A flipped shilling lands, exposing a crowned queen, triggers dialogue between captains on village green, covers protect wicket from early morning mist. Everyone heads for village pavilion for first cup of tea, whilst bare-handed groundsman scours grassy dew, parliamentary chairs arranged on veranda's front. Visitors' team name given pride of place. Numbers stacked in wooden crates, lined up ready for anticipated scoring. Warm-weathered wickets touched up with a chalky paint. 11 individuals kitted as one reconnoitre slippery grassy zeal. Reformation sallies forth to padded champions. Umpire calls. Play as church bells peal. 3 stumpy wooden staves are so bravely guarded. A stomping, snarling, serious-footed bowler runs with feet on fire. A slap on ground by batted defender warns the ball not to dither. Please be straight and short of length. Out! The ball did but dither, and took out a precipitous leg stump. None for one, bowled for an embarrassing duck. Quaint it may be, but birds of a feather must be obeyed. Numbers start to run from their box. 1, 2s, and none that pass into the encircling ropey world. The church rings midday, a rescue in hiatus. Only the last stragglers await their doom, but a luncheon rescues their disparaging purple collapse. Cucumber sandwiches and fresh pastries salvage each soul. A groundman appears with roller. In slow measure, the middle is flattened. Was too wet this morning to roll back for pace. Mingling villagers now chewing a year's bygone graces. Community at the heart of leather, swathed wooden spiel, virtually spined in a willowing endeavour. Enabling people to umpire a game to outwit a foe, to anticipate being thrown a googly affair, relish the spectacle, almost seems like real fun. A round of applause on returning to the jousting field of tete-a-tete. Whites now stained green peddle the promise of restricting more runs. All out, and not a century as yet passed. Tables now turned. Silly mid-on bends over awaiting a dental refrain. Only 30-run chase to win, and no longer shadows are cast. Obscure scoring and rules blithely allow a humouring smile. Rain has stopped play. A handshake and participation are reward enough for civility in sport.